In recent years, technology and machinery have become increasingly important in the food industry. Food technology has made the food industry's manufacturing processes much faster and more efficient while simultaneously lowering costs, labor, and the danger of injury. So in this video, I will show you some of the most exciting food production processes in manufacturing your favorite snacks, using cutting-edge food technology and incredible machines. You don't want to miss anything. So please do like and subscribe, and let's get started. The first one I'll show you is the manufacturing process of our all-time favorite summertime movie snack. How are Lay's potato chips made? The procedure begins with the delivery of all fresh potatoes to the processing plants on a daily basis. Some potatoes will be kept, while others will be delivered to be processed into chips. Potatoes will be checked and tested for quality as soon as they arrive at the plant. Following that, the potatoes will be put onto a conveyor belt and will be washed. The potatoes are then sent to an automatic peeling machine after being washed. Now, the potatoes are ready for cutting. A cutting machine cuts the potatoes in half for the size of a good chip. Then, the potatoes will be placed in the slicing machine. They will be sliced into paper-thin slices as they pass through a rotating impaler presser. All potatoes will be cleaned once again with cold water after slicing. After that, the potatoes are fried. The entire process will be carried out using an automated machine system. The chips will then be sent via the conveyor system to be seasoned or be flavored. The potato chips are almost ready for packaging at this point. Now, chips are ready to make millions of customers happy. Chocolate is an internationally loved treat, and in this next food production process, I'll show you how Smarties chocolates are made. The Smartie making process starts with the melted chocolate. The molten chocolate is put into two metal roller molds that are extremely cool. When the two rollers meet, a sheet of chocolate beans are formed. This is held together by a thin chocolate web. This chocolate bean sheet is cooled and hardened on a conveyor belt. In a dewebbing drum, the undesired chocolate around the edge of the bean is removed once it has cooled. Excess chocolate is removed and melted down to be used again. After that, the beans are fed through another rotating drum. This is a smoothing drum that removes the beans' rough edges. The beans are then sprayed with a coating and placed in huge rotating drums. The soft coat is applied initially and built up gradually. The second hard coat of syrup is then applied in the same manner as the first. Last but not least, the color and wax are applied. After mixing all the colors of Smarties, it will go through the packaging process. And there you go! The colorful chocolates will now be sent to the market for the young and young at hearts to enjoy. Coming up is the process of making today's nut chocolates. The making of today's nut chocolates start with the melting of cocoa butter and cocoa powder. After that, a machine will mix the nuts and chocolates. Then, chocolates with nuts will be deposited into a machine that will mold them into chocolate bars. It will then proceed to a vibrating machine to remove air bubbles on the bars before cooling. Now, the chocolate is ready for packaging. As you can see, today's chocolate is packaged in 3 different ways. It comes in foiled wrapping, compact straight tuck end boxes, and long thin boxes. Now, there we have it. If you'd like to see more of this incredible food technology and amazing food production processes, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified when we have new videos for you. Be sure to leave a comment below and tell us what you think about this video. Make recommendations if you'd like to see specific content from us in the future. And see you next time!